Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to restrict users from sending emails in Outlook. If you manage an organization's or shared email system, this tutorial will help you control user permissions easily. Now, on your Microsoft AppLock dashboard, to restrict users from sending emails, go to the File tab and then click on Settings. Under Settings, you will see several options. Select the Mail option. Once you are here, click on Junk Email. Here, you will find different options. You can use safe senders and domains to choose who is allowed to send mail to your inbox. You can also add safe senders here. Simply enter the email addresses of the users you want to receive emails from. You can also block senders and domains. To add a blocked sender, click the Add button and enter their email address. You can also manage a mailing list here. In this section, you can add your mailing list as well. Set it up however works best for you. Just decide who you want to receive emails from and who you want to be blocked in Outlook. This gives administrators and users a simple way to limit or block email permissions in Outlook using account settings, Microsoft 365 admin controls, or mailbox restrictions. When you are done, simply click Save.